Make money on YouTube without showing your face. Many people want to start a YouTube channel but are afraid to be on camera. The good news is you don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. In this video, I will show you the best faceless YouTube channel ideas. How to create videos without recording yourself and the best way to make money on YouTube. Make sure to watch till the end because I will reveal the easiest way to grow a faceless channel fast. Why start a faceless YouTube channel? Faceless YouTube channels are perfect for people who are shy, don't want to be recognized, or just prefer to work behind the scene. The best part is you can create videos from home without buying expensive equipment. You can even automate everything so that your channels run on autopilot. Best faceless YouTube channels ideas. There are many types of YouTube channels. Where you don't need to show your face, here are the best ones. First is animation channel. Use tools like Animaker or Tonely to create animated videos. Many YouTube channels get millions of views just by making short animated stories. And second is motivational videos. Collect inspiring speech and add a stock videos. People love motivational content and these videos get millions of views. And third is tutorial and how to video. Teach people something useful using a screen recording. You can make video about software tutorial, coding or even simple tips like how to use ChatGPT. And fourth is top 10 and list channel. Make countdown videos about interesting topics. For example, top 10 richest people in the world or top 5 way to make money online. And fifth is complication channel or compilation. Create compilation of funny clips, movies, scene or trending TikTok videos. Just make sure to follow copyright rules. How to create faceless video easily. Creating videos without showing your face is simple. Here is what you need. Step 1 is a script. Write a simple script or use AI tool like ChatGPT to generate one. And step 2 is voice over. Use your own voice or AI voice generator like 11 Labs or Murph.ai. And step 3 is video footage. Use free stock videos from Pixel or Pixabay or record your screen if you are making tutorial videos. And step 4 is editing. Edit your videos using free software like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Add background music and caption to make it engaging. And step 5 is thumbnail and title. Create an eye-catching thumbnail using Canva and a compelling title to attract viewers. How to make money from a faceless YouTube channel. There are many ways to earn from YouTube even without showing your face. First is YouTube ad revenue. Once you reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour, YouTube will start paying you for ads. And second is affiliate marketing. Promote products in your video description and earn commission for every sale. Third is a sponsorship. Companies will pay you to mention their product in your videos. And four is selling digital products. Sell online course, ebooks or templates related to your content. And fifth is YouTube automation. Outsource video creation to freelancer and run multiple faceless channels for passive incomes. A secret strategy to grow a faceless channel fast. Most people struggle to get view because they don't know the right strategy. Here is how to grow your channel quickly. First is post trending content. Use Google Trends and YouTube search to find viral topics. Use SEO friendly title. Add keywords that people are searching for and make engaging thumbnail. The better your thumbnail, the more people will click. And upload consistently. Post at least two or three videos per week. Leverage shorts. YouTube shorts get millions of views and can grow your channel fast. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Pick a faceless channel idea, create high quality videos, and use a smart growth strategy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment on which faceless channel idea you want to try. Thanks for watching this video.